Are you throwing away budget on steel offcuts? Manual cutting lists optimization are slow and prone to errors. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your linear nesting right inside Excel. This is the RKRebar Cut Optimizer. It minimizes waste for rebar and structural steel while strictly preventing grade contamination. First, let's prep your data. You need 5 simple columns: bar mark, length, quantity, type, and diameter. The type column is critical. Use Y for high yield and R for mild steel. The optimizer uses this to ensure grades are never mixed. Pro tip: keep your units consistent. If your stock is in millimeters, enter your cut lengths in millimeters. Don't mix meters and millimeters, or your math will be off. Once your data is ready, select your range, excluding the title header. Go to the RKRebar Tool tab and click the optimizer icon. Here is your stock configuration. By default, we assume 13-meter bars, but if you buy R6 in 6-meter lengths or have leftover 2.5-meter shorts in the yard, input that here. The tool will prioritize using your shorts first. Click Run Optimization. The engine is now nesting your cuts, ensuring Y bars and R bars stay totally separate to maintain structural integrity. The result? First, a visual diagram. Green is utilized steel, red is waste. This is your sanity check. But here is what you send to the workshop: the grouped cut list. Instead of 1,000 lines, it tells the operator, take 4 bars of Y12, cut these specific lengths. It's faster to read and reduces cutting time. Users typically see a 5 to 15% reduction in waste compared to manual guessing. That's money directly back in your project budget. Download the add-in today and start optimizing. Link is in the description.